I came back from Hajj. I had decided, I want to take a break from politics. But my supporters, my workers, they convinced me that this election is not about winning or losing. This election is about saying the right things, fighting the good fight, fighting for justice, fighting for the truth. So my journey in this election as an independent candidate is a victory in itself. Whether I win, whether I lose, I hope to win, is irrelevant. But my foray as an independent candidate against the BJP, against the National Conference, against the PDP, in itself is a humble little victory.
Well, let me ask you one friendly question. That you worked with the 2-3 LGs, even governor also, Satyapal Malik, after that Murmu, after that Manoj Sinha. But today your mood is looking totally different towards LG Manoj Sinha. Why?
No. My mood is very different. That let nobody assume that I am as spineless as the other politicians are. I am not here to be scolded or chided. There is no class teacher in this room and we are not pupils and students. If somebody has to personally harass me, target me, ask the police to harass me, ask some government department to selectively target me because I'm in a government accommodation in the middle of elections without seeking the approval of the Election Commission of India, I'm fine with it. But respect is a two-way street. Respect is mutual.
Did you got any
I don't, there is no king in Jammu and Kashmir. We had a king, we had a monarch that ended in 1947.
Did you got any threat directly, indirectly, or LG administration asked you to vacate this foundation?
Of course, yeah. I received a notice that I have to leave within 48 hours after I spoke about the Baramulla conversion. That was a legally void notice. They bypassed, the rules of Section 4 of the Public Premises Act. Then another notice was served to me, which I have challenged in the court based on factual grounds. But, I know this is a government accommodation. We all have to leave this. But why am I being selectively targeted in Church Lane? Why aren't the others being targeted? Am I the only politician who lives in Church Lane? And why in the middle of elections? Why suddenly in the middle of elections? Why after I filed a form?
It is because you raised the voice when the girl had been convicted.
Yes, exactly. And it was conveyed to me that you have become a radical, you have become a hardliner, and that is not anti-national. If an FIR was registered against the Imam or Khatib of Dargah Hazrat Bal, then why did it pinch anybody when I spoke about a young Muslim girl being converted to Hinduism in Baramulla? Why should there be double standards? The expectation is that no Kashmiri Muslim politician should speak about these issues. But I'm sorry, do anything you want to be, do any damn thing you want to do with me. I will speak about these issues in front of the entire world.
But you compare LG Manoj Sinha with Putin? Do you elaborate it?
No, I didn't know that. I was going for Friday prayers day before yesterday. And at 1:30, when everybody knows at 1:30 on Friday, there are Friday prayers. The entire traffic in the city was stopped. Thousands of people could not reach mosques for Friday prayers. I saw school children. I have 2 daughters. The LG has children and grandchildren. I saw 2 children in a DPS bus literally faint because of heat. They were there for 25 minutes. इतना क्या जुल्म किया है हमने कि हमारे बच्चों को धूप में बसों में सड़ना है क्योंकि हमारी सड़कें बंद करनी है किसी के लिए कोई बादशाह गाजीपुर से यहाँ है किस लिए? Have we not seen institutions, chief ministers and governors? Kab, Afzal Saab, I ask you, when have our roads been sealed for movement like this? 25 मिनट पहले सड़कें बंद होती हैं, आधा घंटा सड़कें बंद होती हैं, बुजुर्ग होते हैं, एम्बुलेंसेज होती हैं, बच्चे होते हैं, किस बात पे? If I don't speak about it, tomorrow, Afzal Saab, your children will be in that bus. Will it be acceptable for you? My daughters will be in that bus waiting for 25 minutes like the children of slaves. Will it be acceptable to me as a father?
That's why you compare LG with Putin?
I thought that President Putin has come. Then somebody told me, no, he has not. They checked his Twitter, he had not come. I saw ऐसा कर्फ्यू लग गया था सड़कों पे जुमा की नमाज पे मुझे लगा मस्जिदों पे कर्फ्यू लग गया है जुमा की नमाज पे जाने का हक नहीं है but then I was told that no, President Putin is still in Moscow and some other big world power has come to Jammu and Kashmir.
Now, one last question. Why don't you alliance with Congress and NC? Because this is a big alliance. What can you do as an individual?
Why do you want me to align with the NC and Congress?
Just for the welfare of
Congress, yeah, Congress का welfare हम देख रहे हैं. 1987 they rigged the election, 70,000 people died. Congress put Sheikh Mahmoud Abdullah in jail for 18 years. We have seen that Congress का welfare for the people of Kashmir too. We have seen what Congress did to Article 370 in way of 40 erosions, which happened from 1953 to 1975. We have seen Congress break the National Conference not once but twice. I don't know why the National Conference forgets it and why you forget it. As far as National Conference is concerned, ask the 70,000 graves in Srinagar if they deserve support based on sympathy. No, they do not. They are not the repository of the sacrifices or the morality or the truth.
One and last, all independent candidates are getting the tag proxies, even the candidates of Jamaat-e-Islami also.
Well, you raise these questions in every press conference. I don't know why you don't like Jamaat. How can they be proxies? Look at the injustices that have been perpetuated on the Jamaat. Abhi tak wo jo Amir Jamaat hain, the top leadership of the Jamaat, they were brought out of 6x6 cells just now. They've spent 6 years in jail. What right do you, me or Umar Abdullah have to call them proxies? To National Conference, every Kashmiri is a proxy. To National Conference, every Kashmiri Muslim is a proxy except the one who is aligned with their party. It's as simple as that.